Hi again. I'm here to introduce a technique called snapshot-based technique, which is used in unit testing. It's a very, very simple technique, yet it's incredibly useful. In this example, I have some method here, which is returning an employee object. So this could be returning from database, this could be a REST API response, it could be from anywhere. And let's see what a unit test for this looks like. So here, this is some of the ways how people unit test interface that returns a very complex object. So you get the employee, then either you can assert individual fields separately, or you can assert using reflect.deep equal. What you're doing is you're expecting the object. Okay. What you're doing is
ऑन नहीं है नहीं है
Yeah. Yeah. So imagine this was not as simple as an employee object with 4 fields. Imagine this was a JSON that was running into 3 pages, right? And it could be nested very deeply. In that case, would you write this manually, or is there a better way to do things? This is where snapshot-based testing comes into picture. Imagine if you could do just this, right? You get your employee, and then the assertions and the comparison would be auto-generated for you. So let's try this out. So the first time I'm going to run this, the test is going to fail, and the second time I run it, it's going to pass. What's happened in the background is it has generated a snapshot of what the object was. This is the snapshot. So this could be an incredibly long JSON, which is hard to model in terms of individual assertions. Let's make a small change in the program and make this return a different ID and run the test again. And here you can see the snapshot-based testing identifying the diff by itself and pointing this out. This is going to be incredibly useful when you do code reviews, as you will be checking the snapshots into your PRs. And even if you make some small change in one part of the program, which is affecting some other response anywhere else, all those small nitty-gritty details would be captured easily. And if you run the same test again with update snapshots equal to true, it would update the stored snapshots. In this case, yeah, I think, let me just. Okay, I'm just wrapping it up, but yeah, I hope this was useful.